Hey friends, I hope you're having a fabulous day. I'm going to share with you a Helix mattress that I'm going to unbox and put on this bed to replace the Dream Cloud that's currently there. Zane and I are huge Helix mattress fans. We have the Helix Midnight Luxe in our primary suite at the lake home and here. This one is a Helix Deluxe. It's a step or two above the Midnight Luxe. I'll show you how it's different and a little bit better than the other one, which we're totally happy with. But this is an upstairs room. It is always warmer up here, and we're in Alabama, so we have very, very hot summers. It's currently in the high 90s right now, and even with fans, it's just harder to stay cool. So this has a cooling layer. It also has 2 layers. I'm waiting on Anderson, my helper, my friend, to come help me, and we'll show you how you unbox them. But first, I'm just going to undo this bed. What we've had on this is a Dream Cloud. I feel like I am very qualified to speak about mattresses because I've had Dream Cloud, Sleep Number, we have Lisa, and we have Helix. Our current favorite is Helix. Mind you, the Dream Cloud is not a bad mattress. It's just not a premium mattress. It's about 5 or 6, maybe it's not that old, maybe 4 to 5 years old, but we are so in love with Helix that we decided we're just gonna upgrade the other rooms. We are giving this to one of my sweet team members who's getting married. I'm excited to give this Dream Cloud to her, but I'm gonna take all this off. Now this is a Dream Cloud Premier Hybrid, and if you're going to get a Dream Cloud, I think this is a good one. It's just a good basic mattress, but we're really trying to upgrade not only for our own bed, but for guests and for our girls when they come home. Also, because I love sharing, and I know someone will ask, this bed, the best bed I've ever bought. I bought this one. This bed was not gifted. I bought this one in a queen, and I bought this exact bed in a king that is in the Lake Home Master. This bed is so fabulous. I'm gonna link it because I get asked about it all the time. It's got the fabulous footboard. You can just place your mattress in it. You can get box springs if you want it higher, but I believe we had these adjusted where we can just directly lay the mattress on it. So the first thing we are going to do, Anderson is here, we're gonna unbox. So with the Helix Elite, you're gonna have the main mattress, and then you're going to have a top portion. First thing, you're gonna wanna make sure you've got like a good knife or something, and you're gonna have a lot of plastic, so we're gonna do that. So here we are, and here is Anderson. This is not his day job, but he's at Georgetown. He's the #1 lacrosse goalie in the world. He got a scholarship at Georgetown, and he humors me by helping me put things together. So what we're going to do, I want to show you all. First, Anderson, can we take this Dream Cloud off and just maybe drag it out in the hall? This is sort of heavy. Guys, you gotta have more than one person to move mattresses. Okay, here we go. Let's take this out.
This is prime content. You're gonna love this.
Zane always manages never to be here for this. It's always me and somebody. Okay, so here we go. I'm just gonna... Okay, so guys, here on this bed, we do have a base layer. So if you were to buy this bed, you would want to put a box spring. Okay, just where it will be flush. So now what we're doing is we're going to put the mattress, and you need to put the mattress where you can, if you stoop down, you can read upright so it needs to have Helix Elite, not upside down, but that tells you what's the top. So Anderson will just do this. Okay, so now here is where the Helix Elite is different from the Midnight Luxe. The Midnight Luxe is more like what we just moved. It's all one. This, we are going to unzip the top and insert the Glaciotex cooling layer that helps keep you cool, cooler than other mattresses, okay? That's what it's designed for. This is also designed if somebody that is in the bed with you moves, you're not supposed to feel them move, so it's a stability layer, and it also is supposed to help cushion the back and the neck, and it is also good for side sleepers, which we are. So, okay, so Anderson, we unzip this. So So this is a little more trouble to put together than the other one, but hopefully. And it's also going to be taller. I believe the Midnight Luxe is 13.5 inches, and I believe this is like 15 or 15.5. And this also will continue over the next few hours to expand. Because it's been rolled up, it does take a little bit of time for it to fully get into shape. Anderson, which?
Flip it this way.
Flip it, yeah. Okay. Now, are you sure that this is the right side up?
This side has the
Zipper. Okay, I don't think it really matters, but you know what? Why don't we put the zipper on the bottom? So this feels like a really sturdy piece of heavy memory foam. Ooh, that is some kind of support. It's very plush. So guys, first I'm gonna let Anderson lay on it and give his opinion of the mattress. You could just flop back or sit on it. Like, is it plush, soft, firm?
It's soft. It's very soft.
Do you feel like it's,
I wouldn't say like too soft. I don't know. I'm not picky enough.
okay.
I feel like the more it expands,
Yeah, it's still expanding. Okay, did you feel like this? I feel like it's contouring to my body.
Yeah, no, I would agree.
And it does feel cool, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is definitely different than you can feel that this is cool. It's like cool to the touch. I don't know how they do that. So anyway, this is another Helix. Zane and I will take turns sleeping on it. We'll compare it to the Midnight Luxe, but there you have it. The unboxing, the putting together, and the initial reaction, and then we will come with several nights sleep on it. So if you enjoy my content, I hope you'll subscribe to my channel. I love providing value and making your life easier in some way. And as always, until next time, be blessed and stay savvy.